Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syafiqah binti Sanusi. My membership number 255460. I will present on my creditor and debtor system. Okay, first one, I will try for the sign up. Okay, then I will try to log in. Okay, so we can see a list of debtor didn't not appear because we just sign up the new user. So I will sign in for the existing user to show. Okay, then I will. Okay, then we proceed to for the dashboard, the percentage of debtor and creditor, and then the debtor section and creditor section, which is show the link for total debtor, number overdue, and for the creditor section. Okay, then we proceed for the update profile, which is the user we can update the profile for the phone number, and then update as well, and it will appear the profile for the user profile, which is appear the username, name, and phone number. And then we proceed to the change password, which is the current password is 010998, and the new password is 0109. Okay, then we enter again for the new password. Okay, next we proceed for the debtor, which is this is the list of the new debtor. We can add the new debtor. Ali, for example, and the total amount is 30 ringgit, and the status is pending paid because the new debtor, and the payment is 0. Okay, then it will appear the Ali name is the new debtor, and we can click the button payment to pay. For example, we can pay 10 ringgit for Ali. Okay, then we also can update Ali information, which is the phone number, due date of payment, because I set for all the debtor is due date in 1 week. So if we need or the debtor want to extend the due date of payment, so we can update this section, and the status is still pending paid, and then update. And then we also can view the debtor information, debtor ID, name, phone number, debt borrowing, due date of payment, status. Okay, then we click the button back. Okay, then the list due in 1 week is the list of debtor that due in 1 week, which is the date today until due date of payment is 7 days. Okay, then for the status is must be the pending paid, and this is the amount balance, which is the payment that they didn't have paid yet. And then we move to report of settlement debtor, the list, which is the list of debtor that have settled the payment, which is we can see the amount balance should be always 0, and the status is done paid. And then we proceed for the overdue debtor. It appear a list of overdue debtor, and the amount balance that they didn't pay yet, and the status is overdue paid. And then the report of pending debtor is all the debtor that have status as pending paid, which is they didn't pay full payment yet, and also the due date of payment did not reach yet. And then for the report payment, we can enter the ID for the debtor, and it will appear all the debtor that and the payment and also the date payment. Okay, for example, just now we add the payment for Ali, ID 23. So we click 23 ID, search data. So it will appear debtor ID 23 Ali paid 10 ringgit at 14 November 2020. Okay, that's next for the dashboard. It appear all the list of debtor, name of debtor and name of creditor, as well the percentage of debtor. For example, Kaisara 5.3, Amin 5.3%, and Lichon 10.7%. As well as for the creditor, Rabiatul 11.2%, Ainani 8.7%, and so on. And then this is debtor section, which is the list that the amount that link on the list of record. For example, total debtor 21, show the 21 list of debtor, and the total amount outstanding debtor 1875, the total amount that debtor borrow, and the number of debtor due in 1 week 7 list for the list of debtor due in 1 week, and number of overdue debtor, which is 5, and it will appear 5 lists of overdue debtor. As well as in creditor section, the number total of creditor 18, and amount creditor 1610, number of creditor due in 1 week 4, and number of overdue creditor is 5. And for the box, it's just show the number. And then we proceed on creditor. Same as well the debtor, we can add the new creditor. And for example, for Shasha, we have add on that borrowing 40, which is the today date, and amount borrowing 20. Okay, for example, we pay, okay, just now the Shasha have paid 10 ringgit, and we also can add 5 ringgit for payment. Okay, then we can update the number phone, also due date of payment, and status. Status is still pending paid. And then we can view the creditor information, and we click the button back, and then we can see in Shasha, which is ID 20, we can see in the report payment, it appears Shasha creditor ID, which is she have paid 10 ringgit and 5 ringgit on 14 November, which is today. And the list creditor due in 1 week, same as well debtor for list, and the status should pending pay. And report of settlement debtor, the amount balance should be always 0 ringgit, and status is done paid. And the report of overdue debtor, the status should be overdue debtor, and the amount balance, the payment that they didn't pay yet. And the report of pending creditor is the list of creditor that have pending paid, which is they didn't pay full payment, and the due date of payment didn't reach yet. And then report payment, same as well. Okay, then for the dashboard, same as well on the debtor section. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.